FundedNext platform review. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are taking a look at FundedNext, and I'm going to be telling you how you can use it and whether or not it's a good platform. So let's get into it. So first things first, what I want to tell you is that there is a link in the description below where if you click on that link you will be able to sign up. You will also get some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply onto the FundedNext and save some money on different fees. So having said that, then you can just simply go ahead and sign up. Now, I just want to talk about FundedNext. FundedNext is a proper platform that gives you certain accounts with certain balance in it that you use to invest in different stocks, categories, and if you manage to make a profit and if you manage to complete certain challenges that FundedNext gives you, then you will be rewarded. So that's how it works. So if you see right here, you can click on start challenges, you can get started, and they also give you up to 300k simulated accounts. All right, so there is no time limit, so you should be good to go. So if you click on start challenge, it'll take us downstairs, and here we can see the account size, how many accounts that they offer. They have a wide variety of different accounts. So here you can see they have Stellar 2-step, Stellar 1-step, Stellar Lite, and Stellar Instant. You can go ahead and select whichever account you want. Each of them will have different, pros and cons. But here, if you go with the second one, the account starts at 6k. You will have a 6k account that you can use to invest in different options. And here you can see it goes up to 50k. So here down below you can see you have a 15% performance reward. So if you manage to make a 10% growth, within the end of the trading cycle, you will get that reward. So this is the reward you will get. You also have your phases. This is phase 1, this is phase 2. All right, phase 1 is at 8%, phase 2 is 5%. So these are also additional options that you have. You also have a limit on how much loss you can. So this is your maximum loss limit, which is 600k, which is $600, roughly 10% for this account size. You also have daily limit, which is around 5%, which is $300. You have news trading performance reward up to 95% on all of the accounts, 5-day trading cycle on all of the accounts, 21-day first withdrawal limit, so you can't withdraw for 21 days, and the fees are going to be refundable. It's pretty cool. And now that you know, if you don't want to get started with the plan, you can also get started with a free trial. All you got to do is check the link in the description below, come over here, click on the free trial button, sign up, and once you've signed up, verified your account, this is how it would look like. So this is the free trial that I got. You can see right here my time. This is my reset right here. This is today, and here is the daily loss limit, daily trading, maximum loss limit, profit target is around $300. This is my balance right here, and here you can see, click on the left hand side, trading overview. You can see this is how the overview looks like, and then we have the platform. Here we have all of the platforms. We need to go ahead and connect our account to one of the trading platforms, and once we've selected it, we should be good to go. Then we can go ahead and put our money into different accounts, make a profit, and you should be good to go. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy, and really fun to use. So make sure to check the link in the description below for that link and the promo codes and discount codes. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.